On Mystery, a deadly brew of seduction and betrayal.
Oh, Mr. Poirot, I'm dreadfully afraid. I'm being poisoned.
Nasty business, I'd say. Unless Mrs. Pengelly's making the whole thing up.
Now, if I mistake not, we have here a very poignant human drama.
Agatha Christie's Poirot on Mystery.
Watch Pierrot take on the Villagers Friday night at 10.
Mother, I have the most wonderful news. They're making a television program about all of us at Grace Brothers.
May I say what a pleasure it is having your son on the floor? It's between these two.
I'd like to drop my trousers and display my white brother. So proud.
That's Monday, August 24th at 9.
These pork-filled dumplings are topped with a spicy sesame sauce. Shredded duck on lettuce and noodles with a tangy mustard dressing. Salmon, peppers, black beans, and ginger are steamed to perfection. Crisp stir-fried chicken in a pungent soy vinegar sauce. It's
We charge popular music, a triple feature on P.O.V.
Double your viewing pleasure tonight at 10. When you want the best, look for channels 45 and 49, WNEO Alliance and WEAO Akron.